After my failed attempt at boiling eggs in my last video, in this one I'm gonna attempt to fry an egg. Hello and welcome back to How Mama Made It. Beautiful. I have here about 500 to 700 grams of spinach. This recipe works for 500 or 700 grams of spinach or even a kilo. So let's get on with it. Take out your spinach. It's all washed and roughly chop it. My mom used to blanch the spinach, but I'm too lazy to do that. So I'm just gonna do it my way. Get a lid, put it on top and put it on high heat and wait. Yeah, it released a little bit of liquid. It's nice and green. It's time to take it off the stove and cram it all up in my little food processor. While I blitz the spinach, you can watch a video of me picking spinach in my garden. Do 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 do. Don't make it a paste, leave some texture in it. It's perfect. In the same pot, I'm gonna add 2-3 tablespoons of butter and I'm gonna switch on the heat. When the butter is all nice and melted, add 2 big tablespoons of plain flour and make a roux. Cook the flour for about a minute so it doesn't taste of flour. I have here 400 milliliters of milk, I would say, which I'm gonna add to start with about 200 milliliters. Peasant food, but delicious food. And look, it has lumps, like my mom's used to. Sorry, Mama. If you want to get rid of the lumps, just mix it very well. You can use a whisk, whatever. Now that it's thick enough, I'm gonna add the spinach. All the spinach is in. It should look something like this. Because I didn't drain the spinach, I didn't blanch it and squeeze the hell out of it. It has quite a lot of liquid, so that's why I did only half of the milk to start with, because you don't want to make a soup. It needs to be sort of like a smooth, silky, thick soup. Anyway, sea salt, or use whatever salt you usually use at home, and a pinch of black pepper. And then another pinch of sea salt because I didn't add enough. And on low heat, this needs to cook for 10 minutes. And now I think it's ready. And it looks delicious. And because in Transylvania we are afraid of Dracula and all the vampires, you need to add a clove of garlic. I'm gonna add 2 cloves of garlic because I'm Romanian. And while it's still hot, the garlic would cook inside the spinach puree. Now, put a lid on, set it aside, and see if I can fry an egg. This seems pretty hot. Let's put some oil. And let's fry. Pinch of salt. And look at them. Spinach. I can fry an egg. And now we put the eggs on top. The beautiful spinach with eggs. Thanks for the recipe, Mama. Also, you should thank my mom in the comments below because she's gonna watch this and she'll be disappointed if you don't thank her. So you better thank her. Till next time.